Well, hi there. This tutorial is going to be really simple. What I'm going to do is show you how to apply our Liquid Touch Foundation and our concealer. So first of all, you want to start with clean hands, because the first thing we're going to do is prime, because it's a crime not to prime with our Touch Glorious Primer. It's glorious. You only need a pea size. Okay, and just dab it. And put it all around your face. If you hear any noises in the background, I think one of my puppies has snuck in. Okay, after your primer, we have our eye primer. This helps set your eye makeup so it stays on all day. I put it on with my fourth finger, my ring finger, because that has the least muscles. I don't know if you knew that. Now you do. Okay. Now again, you go wash your hands. What I like to do in the morning is put my primer on and go brush my teeth and let it set for a minute. For any of you artists out there, primer is like gesso on a canvas. It really smooths and seals your face so your makeup goes on very smoothly and flawlessly. So now onto the makeup. This is a balm. Liquid Touch Foundation. Mwah. Got to shake it first. It's super lightweight. It's a true liquid. I'm looking at myself and I got hair sticking straight up. Whatever. And then this is our Liquid Foundation makeup brush. And it was designed especially to be used with this foundation. So I highly recommend you purchase it. Okay, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops on my brush. Then I'm just going to tap around and then start blending in circular motions. Now this foundation will always look a little yellow when you put it on. It's because it's mineral based. You just have to let it warm up to your skin temp. Then it's a perfect match. And I can color match you online. All you need to do is send me a picture in natural light with no makeup on, natural light, preferably outside, with no shadow, so I can see your neck and so I can see your full face. And I can color match you, no problem. Okay. So, there we go. Now, some people put concealer on first, some people put concealer on top of their foundation. Some people put a shade or two lighter on top of their foundation. I personally don't. I like to match my color. You see this? This is probably too much. I'm going to have to take a little bit off. Put it on my hand there. This is super pigmented, our concealer. And what you just want to do, I'm using, this is our concealer brush, which is really nice. It's a nice flat bristled brush. And I go in a V. I don't know what the technical term is. I just say I have thin skin. So I put concealer and foundation and eye primer on my eyelids. I kind of cover all bases there. If you see me move away a little, it's because there's a mirror right behind me and I'm checking to make sure how it looks. So this is basically it. That's what I wanted to show you. Just super easy, super lightweight. This foundation is layerable, so if you're going out and you're doing a whole glam look, you know, going out on a hot date, you can definitely layer this and make it heavier. But once around the face for the day it's okay with me. That's how I like to do it. So that's it about our Liquid Touch foundation. It comes in all kinds of colors, into all kinds of tones, warm tones, neutral tones, cool tones. We definitely have a color that will match your skin. So that's it for now. See you later.